love that. A patio perfect day.
It really will be. You know, the heat is going to ramp up later in the week, so our later evenings and early lunches will be so perfect to get out to a spot like that. So enjoy it. And again, we are tracking just a bit of rainfall this early morning. Kind of nice to get that back in the picture here. And we did see some heavy rain this early morning. Notice Canby not seeing much of it. It is pretty confined to the Portland metro area and closer to downtown. But just want to show all of the flower fields. The Swan Island Dahlias farm really starting to grow now. I think those will bloom in maybe a few weeks. It tends to be closer to August, but we're watching this closely. That'll be an awesome spot to go check out some flowers in a few weeks here. 58 degrees out in Canby now. Temperatures are mostly in the upper 50s, and that persistent rain is just falling right over the Portland area right now. The bulk of the rain has shifted into central Oregon, but we're still seeing some lingering stray showers. Again, there's the front. Nice big line of some heavy rain in some pockets right near the I-84 drive on the east sides of the state, maybe near Baker City and further south. But some very light showers in some portions of central and eastern Oregon. That is good to have for our fire season here. A bit of relief coming today with that moisture in the area here. Notice some of the lightning strikes out in the gorge. We will see a slight chance for thunderstorms heading into the afternoon and evening today in the gorge and in eastern Oregon. We're going to watch that closely, but these showers again continuing to fall right down the I-5 drive. So you'll notice some raindrops and even some heavy raindrops at that. If you are heading out the door soon, just south of Portland towards the southeast side, even the I-205 corridor getting some rainfall too. And same for I-84 into the gorge. So again, be careful on those roadways. A little slick with that rain. We will see it tapering down quickly. I think by 9 o'clock, we're likely dry again in Portland. And these clouds are starting to push out too. The afternoon looks dry and partly sunny, so we're moving back under this dry pattern. And today will likely be our coolest day of the week in the upper 70s. A bit of heat rebuilding as we get our way into the rest of it. Again, looking out towards the east side, you can see those thunderstorms still revving up. This is as that front is leaving the area. That colder air following it could start to develop some instability and some pop-up thunderstorms right around the east sides of the state. So we'll keep our eyes on any new fire starts. Hopefully not, but in general, Tuesday back under that dry and very sunny pattern here around western Oregon as we head into the week. So rain chances back to zero. I don't see any significant rain for the rest of the week here. We'll likely stay dry for the next week and a half. Our current dry stretch is now back to zero after this early morning rain. We saw about 1/3 of an inch of rain falling just from midnight to about now. So in general, we are back under this warmer pattern. A ridge of high pressure is offshore. It is shifting away from our region again, back over ocean waters and a little more westward, but we're still pulling in some of that warmer air here. So we will see temperatures spiking briefly. I do see our warmest day Wednesday, where we could hit about 90 degrees here in Portland. So look at that heat up, a brief warm up here. 90 is not too hot, but again, you might want to drink lots of water and stay out of that sun for long periods of time, especially during the hottest part of the day there on Wednesday. But we're still building up some heat Thursday in the upper 80s before we're back to near normal summertime temperatures. The lower 80s this weekend. That will feel very nice. Today's forecast around the state, though, it will be a cooler day, and that's great to have for our wildfires that are out there. A day of relief here, a little more moisture. We have more moisture in the air, so hopefully those fires like the Cram fire, the Burdoin fire in the gorge doesn't spread too rapidly today. But here's your 7-day forecast. We are back under that hot and dry pattern here. Lots of summertime heat this week, so be aware of it and drink lots of water. But yes, patio perfect weather here back in Portland as that summer sunshine and our summer days roll on here in the city.
All right, looks great, Kelly. Thanks so much.